Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll see the concept of unsymmetrical suspension bridge. So this is our topic. So this topic is fully based on the formulas. So first we'll see the what is the concept of this unsymmetrical suspension bridge. So what's mean by unsymmetrical cable? First I'll explain the concept. So we'll see the what's meaning of unsymmetrical cable. So if you remember the concept what I said while explaining the unsymmetrical arch. So our unsymmetrical arch has two parts. So like this, if you remember, I will show you. Our arch is like this from A to B and here B to C like this. So our unsymmetrical arch has two parts. It means the combination of the two arches will call the unsymmetrical arch. So like in the similar way our cable also has the two parts here in the similar way. So combination of the two cables will become our unsymmetrical cable. I will show from this is point A, this is C. This is one part and from here to here is one part. This is one cable A to C and from C to B is another cable. So it means both the cable will connected to each other but the curve is different. So if we extend this curve it will come in this direction. It will come in this direction and if I extend this curve it will come in this direction. If I cut the section, if I cut the semicircle, its semicircle will be like this. When I cut, its semicircle will come like this and its semicircle will be like this. So now from here to here the distance will call it as D1 and from here to here the distance will be D plus D1, its distance, and from here to up to here is D. So here to here is D, here to here is D1. So total from here to here is D plus D1. So length from here to here is L1 and from here to here is L2. So total span length is L. Total span length is capital L. So sometimes in questions they give only this L value. So we need to find the L1 and L2. For that we have one formula. I will show you. Divided by L2 is equal to the root of D plus D1 divided by D. So this is the formula. I will show how to calculate while solving the problem. So L to find out the total span value we have the formula that is L1 plus L2. If you so by using this formula you can calculate the L value. So now we'll see the formula for calculating the reaction. So here our reaction at point A, RA will takes place, at point B RB will takes place. Here one horizontal load will come, it is always act outward. So here also one H also act outward. So here the RA and RB value, here RA and RB value will be different because it's unsymmetrical. So for calculating the RA there is one formula. So formula is RA is equal to WL divided by 2 plus H D1 divided by L. So by using this formula we will calculate the RA. So for find outing the RB the formula will be same, only the thing is here negative sign comes, that is WL by 2 minus H D1 divided by L. So this is the formula for calculating the RB. The only the thing is sign. for calculating the RA we need to put the positive sign, and for calculating the RB we need to take the negative sign. So how? So I will tell one way to remember this formula, way to put a positive and way to put negative sign. So if you look at this diagram, so our RA, this part is bigger, so which is bigger part, we'll take the positive. So this part is smaller, RB, so this is only smaller part, no. So for that, remember, for smaller portion, for calculating the RB we need to take the negative, for calculating the RA we need to take the positive sign, because by looking at this diagram you can easily remember. Simply you substitute the positive sign while calculating the RA, because this portion is bigger compared to this is smaller. Now I will show the formula for calculating the H is WL1 square divided by 2D plus D1. This is the formula for calculating the H. For this we need to find the L1 value. So after finding the H value, we'll go for the calculation of the RA and RB. And to find out the L1 and L2, we'll go with this formula. So I will clearly explain while solving the problem. So these are the formula for calculating the reactions and H. So when you don't remember this formula, you can also go for another method which I have shown. So that is our summation of moment about A is equal to 0. So by applying this you will get the RB value, and by taking summation of all the vertical forces you will get the value of RA here. And for calculating the H we need to take the bending moment about C. You will get the H value. So in this method also you can go. I have explained this method in my previous video. You can go through those videos. Though this is already I have shown in my previous video. Or otherwise, by simply remembering this formula you can also calculate. So this is the concept of unsymmetrical suspension cable. So I hope you all are understood. So if you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you for watching.